Hey, I'm Cody. Welcome to Snowball Your Marketing. And today we're going to be covering the top 25 terms SEOs use when talking about doing SEO. First up is anchor text, which is the specific text on a link that users click. Backlink, a link from one website to your specific website. Referring domain. This is the link clicked by a user on another website to land on your specific website. Session, when users visit your website and perform any number of actions. Page view, whenever a user visits a page on your website. Search query, this is the specific term that users enter into their search engine, probably Google, to solve the answer that they're looking for. SERP, this is short for the Google search engine results page, and it's where people land after performing a search. Click, when a user clicks onto your website off the SERP. Impression, when your website is shown on the search engine results page. Click-through rate, or CTR, you may hear people say that as well. Essentially, it's the number of clicks your website receives divided by its total impressions. Conversion, this is whenever a user completes a desired goal on your website. Keyword, a common term users search that websites fight to rank for. Session duration, this is just the amount of time a user spends on your website during any given session. The back end, this is the part of your website that's only accessible when you're logged into your CMS, like robots.txt file. This is a file that tells search engines specifically what they can and cannot crawl on your website. Sitemap.xml, this is a file that you add to your robots.txt, and it tells search engines what to prioritize when crawling your website. A meta title, it is the title of your web page shown on the search engine results page. Meta description, the description of your web page shown on the search engine results page. Alt text, the description of an image that allows search engines to interpret what the picture is of. On-page SEO, this is any SEO strategy that's implemented on a specific page to help it rank higher. Off-page SEO is exactly the opposite. Anything that you do off of your website to help your page rank higher. Page rank, this is just the average position of your web listing on the search engine results page. Domain authority, the overall SEO power of your web domain. Traffic, the total quantity of users that visit your website over a specific period of time. Organic traffic, which is users that click onto your website after performing a search on Google. Those are our top 25 SEO terms. This should give you a solid foundation to continue your SEO learning. Thanks. Have a good one.